Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from recursion and backtracking, which is combination sum second. So just before this, I have created one video which was combination sum one. So this is the extension of that. So I explained this problem there itself, that here you cannot have the duplicate element. You cannot take one element again. Okay, so the element should be duplicate. So for example, let me explain you the problem. Okay, the problem is something like this. You would be given one array. Let's say the array is 1 1 2 5 6 7 10, and you would be given one target, okay, which will be, let's say, 8. So here I need to find the sum, combination sum, okay, where sum is equal to 8, combination of elements where their sum is equivalent to 8. So for example, here I can take this 1 1 6, this is one combination, right? Second, I can take this 1 and 7, okay, and then I cannot take this 1 and this 7 because then that will not be the unique combination, okay. And then what else I can have? I can have this 2 and 6, right? And then this 1 2 5. So this is the answer for this. And in the earlier video, earlier problem, combination sum 1, what we were doing, we were taking one element again and again, okay. So once there you can take the duplicate, but here if you have taken this one once, then you cannot take this one again, okay. So here we have taken once only, and we took the another one here, okay, and that is not the same one. And same as you took 2 here, right? So you cannot take 2 again, you took the another element, okay. So guys, this is the series of recursion and backtracking, okay, and I explained recursion, how recursion works, debugging it and all, in the first video itself, where we were printing the sequence, okay. So I cannot debug problem in every video, but I would suggest you see that video. Anyways, we will have only 6 to 7 or 8 videos here in recursion and backtracking. I would strongly suggest you that you see that video and then come to these videos, okay, or just come in order. So here I'll explain you what will happen. So you can see, okay, let's see its tree, okay. So what will happen here, you would be given this array, okay, and now what you can do here is you can choose one, okay. Let's say your target is 8, so you can choose one, okay, or the next option is you can choose another one, okay, but you cannot again choose one here. So here the option you would have, you have chosen this one, okay. So this 1 2 5 6 7 10 will be remaining here, okay. Now here you cannot again choose one, you can choose between this this one 1 2 5 6 7 10, okay. So let's say you have chosen this one, okay, and then you would be remaining 2 5 6 7 10, okay. Now here the combination, the sum will be 7. Now if you choose this one, so you can choose now 2, okay, and then the remaining array will be 5 6 7 10, okay, again. So here 8, the sum was remaining 7, here 6 is remaining, okay. Now if you choose 2, then the sum will be remaining 4, and then when you go further there will be a dead end, okay. But here if you choose 6, okay, then this sum will become 0. So you will print this path 1 1 and then 6, okay. So similarly you will check all the paths. For example, if I show you, it's this hierarchy, so you can see this here, okay. So see, this is your index. So initial your index is 0 and your sum is 8, okay, and your result is empty right now. Now you choose, you pick 1, okay, I equal to 0, you pick that 1, and then the target will remain 7, and in your result 1 will be there, okay. Now you can again pick 1, but the index is different, okay, they are not the same element. So 2 6 1 1, okay, and then after that if you pick 2 you will find dead end, for 5 also, but for 6 it will be working, okay, and then further breakdown. So you can go through this hierarchy, and the main thing here is first you need to sort the array, okay. In combination sum 1 you don't need to sort the array, but here you need to sort. The reason for that is, let's say if because here we don't want duplicate, okay, so we can add one check here. We will add one check here. See, the solution is ditto similar to the earlier one, combination sum 1. It's just one line change, and that one line is this one, okay, this one. So where we are checking I is greater than start, okay, and array of I equal to array of I minus 1 means if both elements are same, so you just continue, you skip that element, okay. And I should be greater than start because I is starting from start, right? So I minus 1 will give you error. Otherwise, if you go to the logic, see what we are doing here. You have created one list of integer answer. Okay, your final result will be there, and then you have sorted the array, and then you run the helper function with index 0. Okay, and then this array list, which will be your current, where you will store your result of each iteration, and at the end you will merge it into the answer list integer. Okay, so you are checking if target is equal to 0. This is your base condition, so you are adding that current into your answer. Okay, and return. Otherwise, you will run this for loop from I equal to start to array length. Okay, so start is initially start is your the 0th index. Okay, this one will be your start. So you're checking first for the duplicacy. So if I is greater than start, or array I equal to array I minus 1, then you will just continue. You will skip all these steps, and then I will become I plus plus. After that, if array I, okay, is greater than target, then you can break it. You don't need to add that element because your target, the requirement is less, right? So otherwise you will add that array I into current. Okay, and then you will call this function again for I plus 1. Only this change. So two changes will be there, this I plus 1, and then this condition. Okay, duplicacy condition, this one. So now and then you will backtrack it. Okay, because from here you need to go back, like for example from here you need to go back here, right? So you will remove this 2. So that is what you are doing. You are backtracking it, and you're removing current size minus 1, the last element which you have added, you're removing that. So that's it. Thank you.